Alright, welcome back to Slim's Automotive Channel. Today we have a Honda Civic, I think, Honda of some sort. It doesn't really matter what we got. What we're going to go ahead and show you today is how to use your pry bar right here. It's about 2.5 foot long, all steel, got a metal rod cap on it. You're going to want to use something like this. A long handled screwdriver will work too. The key thing to remember here is always consult with a professional if you don't feel comfortable doing what I'm about to do. It's dangerous. You'll be working around moving parts and pulleys and belts, so you need to watch all your fingers and toes and hair and beard and jewelry and kids and dogs, cats, hamsters, and other small creatures of this world. We're going to be doing this with the engine off for obvious reasons, because I'm working through a cell phone lens and not with my own eyes. So let's get to it. What you're going to want to do is take this pry bar here, and you're going to find this bolt. And if you can see right here, it's on the bolt. Now this bolt will not spin when the engine's running. The pulley will, but the bolt will be stationary. So you're going to put that, and you're going to try to kind of use your own hands. It's a lot easier with two hands. Again, I'm holding a cell phone. So you're going to put it right there, and then what you're going to do is come up to this rod cap, and you're going to put your ear to it, and you're going to use it just like a stethoscope that a doctor would use to listen to your heartbeat, your lungs, something like that. All it does is amplify the sound to help you pinpoint what component, what pulley, or the belt. Again, the main key thing is to do this safely. The key word is safely. I cannot stress that enough. Again, if you don't feel comfortable, please have a qualified technician do this. But it is a very good option if you're trying to find a noise on what you need to replace. That's it for me today. I'd love to keep making these videos for you guys. This was a viewer suggestion to see if they could pinpoint, how to tell if it's a pulley or a belt. I do take suggestions. If there's anything you guys would like to know or see or have me do a video on, just leave a comment. And as always, please like, subscribe, turn on notification. It helps with the algorithm. It helps put me out there. I need a few more subscribers to get to that 1,000 mark, and I know we can do it, guys. I know we can. That's all I'll ever ask from you, is just a sub. No money, no nothing, just your sub, because it means everything to me. Y'all be blessed, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.